What up, YouTube? Figure I'd show you a little work that I'm doing today. Getting ready for the track event tomorrow. Going out to the Ridge, so doing a little swap over. Figure I'd show you guys what that entails. Pretty easy stuff. But yeah, let's get started. So I definitely recommend getting an extra set of wheels and tires. You don't need them, but it's gonna be running the Supercar 3s tomorrow at the Ridge. Here's my extra set. Bought these used for like 400 bucks. My buddy had a good find on them on Craigslist. But yeah, this is after 1 day use at Pacific Raceways. Definitely recommend getting some of those ZL1 lift points. Just got the rears put on, in the process of taking off the fronts. But I'll show you kind of what the lift points look like. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen those. Let me get that focus for you guys. Hopefully you can see it a little better. But yeah, highly recommend them. Yeah, you can see them, they go in pretty nice, just right on the pinch weld. Have some Gorilla side skirts, so I had to take these off. Cut those to kind of match up with where the openings were. But yeah, nothing too complicated. And then have the front ones, but I'm not using them. Definitely using the quick jack points that you can find on ZL1. And then I have the other one here on front. But yeah, just got the lugs off, about to take it off. I'm running Nankings currently for autocross. Definitely a cool tire. Haven't been kind of seeing the performance I want out of them. But there's a Porsche GT3 running some really solid times at BSEC, so I think it's just me needing to get used to the tire. But yeah, man, we'll continue this and I'll show you the update. So I'm back at it again. Got the front passenger side off. Definitely had some brake fluid running out of it last time from where it connects. I'm not sure if that's something that's like common, but my buddy was telling me that that happens on some of the track days. It's not a normal. It's definitely tightened down, but you don't want to over tighten them obviously, because that's not good on the valve. But yeah, give you a picture of this and we'll continue. So overall the fronts look pretty good. Still have decent pad overall, as you can see. Rotors, obviously love these. But yeah, I just had a little drippage coming out, seepage I'd say coming out of these. Nothing crazy. Definitely the Goodyears are super awesome. Definitely have no complaints on them when we're on there. Like I said, just running the stock tires and wheels for the track day. Car's pretty much stock. I'll kind of give you a rundown on that here a little bit later on, but just kind of wanted to get a video out, showing what we're doing. Kind of go over the other toys that I have a little bit later on, as you can see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Easy, nothing too crazy. So just got the passenger side done. For those who are curious, these are the ZL1 add-ons. I can go ahead and add a link for you guys, but I'm pretty sure you guys can find it pretty quickly. But yeah, gonna get started on the driver's side and get this finished up. Make sure I just check the brake fluid level, and then I gotta get the pressure up on these because I dropped them down and put them back up on the last event. But yeah, we'll get going. Dimensions, give you guys a little walk around here. It is a 2018 Camaro SS 1LE in Summit White. Has just over 15,000 miles on it. Not too many things done to the car, pretty much stock. Just redid the side emblems here, side marker emblems, Gorilla side skirts, and then have the EOS rear spoiler. I still have the stock one. Definitely might adjust the height on the Middle section there might go a little bit lower. Pretty much the same wrapped hood from factory, and the matte black painted side mirrors. Do have a different drop-in Canon air filter. Did do a Mishimoto catch can as well, as you can see back here. Definitely recommend that if you've not gotten one. Definitely go ahead and help keep out things a little bit cleaner, so you don't have to go and get those things walnut blasted. Coming from a BMW 135, that was something that had to do like every 30 to 40,000 miles, but definitely this should keep things in there a little bit cleaner for sure. Re-change the oil cap, nothing crazy, but just to match, you know, obviously running the Supercar oil here. And then I have the controller for the MPP. Yeah, you guys can just pull the fuse on this as well. And then did do the upper strut bar here. Nothing too crazy. Can't say I really noticed a difference with that on there, but again, I've pretty much had it since day one when I bought the car. Someone was selling it. He sold his like 2019 and decided to pick it up, so I figured why not. Other than that, just have some aggressive GM track alignment, and I do have the ELSD tune from GM. Highly recommend that. I did do a CF license plate, more cosmetic than anything, but yeah, it's pretty much the walk around on the car. I am running some different brake fluid, and so far it's been cool. Just flushed that out literally like probably less than 500 miles ago. I'm running the RF 650, as you can see here, by Endless, and then yeah, been liking it. Yeah, figured I'd give you guys a little walk around, show you the vehicle. Pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of these. Obviously you have the Caros inside and the Alcantara's shift knob and the Alcantara steering wheel. Pretty basic in here. Visibility for me, I know there's been a lot of complaints on this vehicle from a lot of others, but for me it's been pretty cool. I'm used to it. Definitely wouldn't say it's as good as like the C5Z here for visibility, but you get used to it.